Hello, this is Valerie from Cedar Creek Wellness. Let's jump into the present moment with this guided meditation to build awareness of our breath. Don't worry about doing it right. Just try to listen to the words and be present with the physical experience. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. So let's get started. Take a comfortable seat. Shift around until you find a good position for you to rest a bit. You can close your eyes or take a soft gaze. Don't worry, I'll watch the time. Start by noticing your breath. Don't control it or try to change it. Just let your breath flow in and out at its regular pace. Your body knows what to do. Bring your awareness to your upper lip. Can you feel the subtle movement of air as it moves through your nose and out through your nose? Start to deepen your breath by letting your belly relax. See if you can start to pump your breath gently with your belly. Every inhale, the belly expands like a little balloon. And every exhale, the belly gently pushes that breath out. Now try to feel your lungs expanding through your ribs. Your chest gently rises and falls with each breath. Don't worry if you don't exactly feel that expansion. Just thinking about it and directing your attention there, your body is building more connections in that direction. So just notice your breath. Now, see if you can shift your awareness to your back. Can you visualize your ribs expanding under your shoulder blades, with them moving slightly away from each other as you expand and make more room for that life-giving breath, that vital pranayama as the yogis call it. Notice if your brain is starting to tell a story, and with love, bring your attention back to that breath. Try not to engage with the thoughts. They're just there out of habit. And this practice is designed to start a new habit. So every time your mind wanders, bring it back to your current physical experience. Noticing your breath. Noticing the movement of air. Start to see if you can feel your lungs expand in all directions on the inhale. Your lungs expand into your belly, under your arms, across your back, drawing in that vital oxygen, and then gently releasing to push out that carbon dioxide. Let go of the idea of doing it right or perfect and just notice what's happening with your lungs right now. Notice your lungs expanding in all directions, filling your entire torso. Relax your jaw. Relax your forehead. Rest in this present moment. Staying with your breath. Consider this quote from Kurt Vonnegut for a minute. And I asked myself about the present, how wide it was, how deep it was, and how much was mine to keep. Bring your awareness back to your body. Open your eyes if you have them closed and start to notice the space around you. Notice something blue. Notice something green. How does your body feel right now? And just let that be here. This is your current experience, the present moment. All right, friends. Well, our time is coming to an end. So I want to thank you for taking a bit of your time with me today and giving yourself the gift of your own focused attention. Take care as you continue on today. Namaste, y'all.